As discussed in the previous video, there are a number of factors across the state of Texas, as a whole, that collectively contribute to climate change. Now we will explore what practices occur most prominently in and around the city of San Antonio, Texas that play a role in the increasing temperatures we are seeing and feeling today. This clip provides a time-lapse view of satellite imagery showing the growth and expansion surrounding the city from 1984 to 2016. After seeing a population increase of approximately 19,000 residents from 2021 to 2022, San Antonio earned third place in annual population growth rates across the U.S., and the total population of almost 1,473,000 was ranked as the number 7 most populous city as of 2022, according to data collected by the U.S. Census Bureau. Of course, such a large increase in citizens has led to intensified urban sprawl and industrialization, as more homes and residential communities are being constructed all around the city. In addition to the greenhouse gas emissions and the use of resources such as lumber, stone, and oil associated with construction, this increase in land use leads to lower amounts of green spaces across the city. Urban green space has been shown to directly impact local climates and temperatures around community centers. Green spaces provide various ecosystem services such as shade and carbon regulation and can reduce the effects of urban heat islands, while increasing carbon sequestration. However, most major cities in Texas have traditionally shown more concern for industrial growth over prioritizing environmental concerns in city planning. The urban heat island effect happens when temperatures are higher in more developed and densely populated areas of the city than they are in suburban or rural areas further away from the city center. This occurs because having a greater number of buildings reduces the amount of wind flow in urban areas, along with a large number of dark-colored roofs, buildings, and pavement that absorb a massive amount of heat from the sun, leading to higher local temperatures. More vehicles on the road, along with the seemingly everlasting highway and roadway construction occurring across San Antonio, also contribute to both the rise in temperatures and greenhouse gas emissions happening today. Additionally, because San Antonio is one of the largest cities in Texas, there isn't as much large-scale farming or agriculture found here, as compared to less metropolized areas of the state. There are, however, a growing number of industrial factories and large commercial companies that have become prominent in San Antonio and the immediate surrounding area. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, as of 2021, approximately 23% of greenhouse gas emissions come from industrial practices and the toxic materials or chemical reactions necessary to produce goods from raw materials nationwide. In general, the majority of environmental and climatic impacts that occur in San Antonio, Texas are a direct result of rapidly rising populations and the consequences that follow urban growth, such as increased construction and land use, industrial practices, food and water demand, and vehicle usage. As we can see, the factors contributing to climate change specifically in San Antonio are slightly different than the overall leading factors across the entire state of Texas.